In this video, I'll show you how to trade spot on Bybit and buy or sell crypto using the mobile app. First, open the Bybit app and log in. On the bottom menu, tap Trade, then choose Spot. At the top of the screen, tap the trading pair, for example, BTC/USDT, and select the coin you want to trade, like ETH/USDT, XRP/USDT, and so on. Let's start with a buy. Make sure Buy is selected in green. Choose Market if you want an instant order, then enter how much you want to spend in USDT or how much crypto you want to buy. When you're ready, tap Buy and your order will fill at the current market price. To sell, tap Sell, red, on the same screen. Again, choose Market, enter how much of that coin you want to sell, and tap Sell to convert it back to USDT, or the quote currency. You can check filled orders and your balances under Assets then Spot. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.